Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily clean your copper Pooja items at home. Copper items, while beautiful, can tarnish over time due to exposure to air and moisture. This guide will help you restore their original shine using simple, readily available ingredients. We'll cover effective cleaning methods and essential maintenance tips to keep your sacred items gleaming for years to come. Many traditional methods use natural ingredients you likely have. For light tarnish, cut a lemon in half, dip it in 1 teaspoon of salt and gently rub the surface. For tougher spots, soak a small ball of tamarind pulp in warm water, then rub it onto the copper. Another effective paste combines 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and enough white vinegar to form a thick mixture. Apply, wait about 10 minutes, then scrub gently. For very stubborn tarnish, you can boil smaller copper items in a pot with 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of salt for several minutes. Alternatively, a popular commercial option is pitambari powder. Apply it with a wet cloth and scrub. For intricate designs, a small amount of white toothpaste on a soft toothbrush can reach tiny crevices. Remember to always rinse your items thoroughly with warm water and dry them completely with a soft cloth to prevent water spots. To keep your copper Pooja items gleaming, proper maintenance is key. After cleaning, always dry them immediately and completely with a soft cotton cloth to prevent watermarks and new tarnish. Store them in a dry environment, away from direct sunlight and humidity. Wrapping individual items in a soft cotton cloth can also help. For long-term protection, you might consider applying a thin, clear coat of lacquer or wax, which creates a protective barrier against oxidation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.